Are you looking for the top 5 best window air conditioners reviewed? Everyone thinks the best-selling window air conditioner is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Bionaire Window Fan. Let's kick things off with the Bionaire Window Fan. Priced at $57.12, it caught my eye with its unique reversible airflow feature. If you want a cooling solution that doesn't just circulate stale air, but actually refreshes your space, this is worth a serious look. This fan is designed for versatility, allowing you to draw in fresh air or exhaust warm air, making it great for all seasons. With 3 speed settings, you can customize airflow to your comfort level. It also features a programmable thermostat, so it can turn on or off based on the temperature you set, which is super handy. Plus, the LED display is easy to read, even from across the room. The best part? It fits most window types, thanks to the accordion extender panel. Now, some people complained about its noise level, saying it can be a bit loud on higher settings. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something to cool down a hot room fast, that's a small trade-off for effective airflow. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of room types to cool, like bedrooms or living rooms. Skip this one if you need a full AC unit for extreme heat, but for a fan, it offers solid value. Alright, if the noise level of the Bionaire bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Medea 5000 BTU AC Unit. Next up is the Medea 5000 BTU Easy Cool Air Conditioner. This small unit is designed for spaces up to 150 square feet, and it's perfect for bedrooms or small home offices. I mean, who wouldn't want a solid cooling solution at a reasonable price? What I love about this unit is its energy efficiency. With a CEER of 11.0, you'll save on your electric bill while keeping cool. It offers 7 temperature settings and 2 cooling speeds, so you can adjust it to your liking. The quiet operation is a huge plus too. It's quieter than your average refrigerator, making it ideal for nighttime use. Plus, the mechanical controls are straightforward, so you won't be fumbling around trying to figure it out. But some users noted that installation can be a bit tricky, especially if you're not handy. Here's the deal though. Once it's installed, you get effective cooling without the hassle of constant adjustments. This is perfect for you if you're looking to cool down a small space efficiently. Skip this if you need something for larger rooms, but at this price point, it's a great buy for smaller areas. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful, the next product might just be what you need.
Product number 3, Winter Portable AC. Coming in third is the Winter Portable Air Conditioner, boasting 14,000 BTUs, which is excellent for larger spaces up to 500 square feet. This unit has received accolades, being named Good Housekeeping's best overall portable air conditioner. Pretty impressive, right? What stands out here is its dual hose system, which not only cools, but also dehumidifies effectively. It operates quietly at 51 decibels, making it suitable for bedrooms without disrupting your sleep. The auto drain feature means you don't have to worry about emptying a bucket every few hours, which I genuinely appreciated. Plus, you have 3 operational modes: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan, giving you flexibility. However, some reviews mention that it can be bulky and a bit heavy to move around. But honestly, if you need strong cooling performance, that's a reasonable trade-off for a more powerful unit. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable cooling solution for larger rooms or areas. Skip this if portability is your priority, but for power and functionality, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting something more compact.
Product number 4, Lerotte Portable AC. Next on the list is the Lerotte Portable Air Conditioner, priced at $129.99. This isn't just an AC. It's a 3-in-1 unit that also works as a humidifier and evaporative cooler. If you're looking for versatility, you might want to keep listening. This unit cools rooms up to 250 square feet and features a removable 2.6-gallon water tank, which means you can fill it up easily without any mess. The quiet operation at less than 45 decibels makes it perfect for bedrooms or offices. It also includes a timer, which is fantastic for setting it before bedtime.
Plus, it comes with ice packs for extra cooling power, which genuinely surprised me. Now, some users have said it lacks the cooling power of traditional AC units. Here's the thing though, if you're in a moderately hot climate, this could be just what you need without the hassle of installation. This is perfect for you if you want mobility and convenience in your cooling solution. Skip this if you need full-on air conditioning, but it's a solid pick for smaller spaces. Now, if you want something that's ultra-portable, the last product might catch your eye.
Product number 5, Coolac Windowless AC. Finally, we have the Coolac Windowless Air Conditioner, which is quite unique. This unit is priced at $127.48 and is designed for those who want effective cooling without needing a window installation. It's perfect for renters or those without traditional AC options. What's impressive is its 4-in-1 functionality. It can act as a fan, humidifier, and air cooler, which is great for areas prone to dryness. The 2.4-gallon tank allows for 24-hour cooling, and the waterless alert system is a fantastic safety feature. You can easily set it up anywhere without needing to drill or modify your windows. However, some users mentioned it doesn't cool as aggressively as a windowed unit, but honestly, if you live in a dry area, this can actually be a better option for comfort while keeping the air fresh. This is perfect for you if you need a portable solution that doesn't require window installation. Skip this if you're expecting the same power as a traditional AC unit, but for its price and features, it's a great alternative.
So there you have it. From the versatile Bionaire window fan to the powerful winter portable AC, each of these options shines in its own way. Whether you need something for a small bedroom or a larger living space, there's something here for everyone. Just remember to consider your specific needs and space before making a choice.